The severe weather situation that we had earlier was some quarter size, maybe $half size hail. That's really winding down. We have 2 thunderstorms right now that are technically still severe, but I mean, maybe they're producing pea-size hail.
Okay.
So for the rest of tonight, we're talking, you know, I mean, really for the next, it's 10:17. I mean, the next hour or so,
Okay.
some lightning and some heavy rain. Okay, I'm not concerned about severe weather for the rest of the night.
Spring.
That doesn't mean we couldn't have some small hail, without a doubt. But there's 0 tornadoes in the forecast. Okay.
Will it still be wet in the morning, or?
Well, it's not good. Well, I would say in 2 hours or less, all of North Texas is dry.
Okay.
So overnight tonight, you should rest easily tonight. I mean, now I don't know if you have sleeping issues like Cynthia does, but for the rest of us, the weather isn't going to wake us up overnight with thunder and lightning or anything like that. So, okay. Thank you, Ferry. Was she talking? Let me show you this. Here's what's happening. We have a thunderstorm watch until 11 o'clock, okay? We still have a couple thunderstorms. We still have some heavy rain. We're going to have that around for the next, let's say, hour and a half or so. Thunderstorm watch expires in about 40 minutes. There's some lightning, okay? That'll keep you awake for a couple of hours right over there on the Dallas-Kaufman County line. And that's where we have one severe thunderstorm right now. Now, this is the one that's weakened. I mean, I don't even know that it's producing hail. It was issued as a severe thunderstorm because it had the potential to produce some quarter-size hail. I don't know that it's producing any hail right now, let alone quarter-size hail. So that will expire in about 12 minutes, okay? Actually 13 minutes. So that's when that will expire. Here's the track of it. It'll continue to drift off to the north-northeast. It'll arrive in Rockwall at 10:19, Nevada 10. That's right. That's how we call it in Texas. It's not Nevada. It's Nevada in North Texas. Josephine 10:40, and in Cache at 10:49. Off to the northwest, we have another thunderstorm. This too could have produced some quarter-size hail around Alvord. That's moving now into this is Cook County. Now it's fallen apart too. I don't know that it's producing any hail right now, but that will expire in 11 minutes. That's Wise County. It'll arrive in Fremont at 10:33. If it holds together, Hood 10:39, Munster 10:49, and St. Joe at 10:50. Otherwise, take a look at that. That's all we have happening right now. Yes, we have some rain, we have some heavy rain, we have some lightning, but there we are at midnight. See how it's all fallen apart? And then overnight, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in the morning, it's dry. Oh, there could be a sprinkle, but that's really going to be about it. We start tomorrow cloudy. Now check this out. 20% coverage tomorrow. We'll see, this is noon tomorrow. We'll see a little bit of sunshine tomorrow afternoon. Then later in the afternoon, it'll become partly to mostly sunny. Could see some showers, 20% of us, maybe a stray thunderstorm. That's about it. Then we cloud back up Thursday night. This is Friday morning. Now, about rain coverage on Friday, about 50 to 60%. 7 a.m. on Friday, maybe a shower in the morning. The sun tries to peek out in the afternoon, and as it peeks out 3 p.m., watch what happens around 5 p.m. A few thunderstorms develop. Friday, it's the same setup that we had tonight. We could see some wind. We could also see some hail. 5 p.m. Friday. There's 7 p.m. Friday. There's 9 p.m. There's 10 p.m. So it's the same threat on Friday, and it's the same duration and really the same time of day and evening on Friday. The bigger severe weather threat on Friday, and it's the same threat, it's a level 2 on a scale of 1 to 5, but from the Red River north into Oklahoma, that's where they'll have a tornado threat. Down here, I'm not going to say we won't have a brief spin up, but it's mainly some hail and it's mainly some wind, just like tonight was. My forecast tonight, some isolated heavy rain for the next hour or so. That will end. 64 is the low tonight. Tomorrow, it's a mostly cloudy morning, a partly sunny afternoon, warm and muggy. 80 for the high. Only 20% of us see rain tomorrow. Weather alert day on Friday because of the timing that I just told you. The same thing on Saturday because we have another chance of rain. Maybe a leftover shower on Sunday, and it's time change on Sunday. Daylight saving time begins, standard time ends. Spring forward, set your clocks ahead 1 hour. A little bit of rain on Monday of next week, Tuesday next week, and Wednesday of next week. And the final 7 days, those are Joe's favorite. 60s and 70s those days.
Good golfing weather.
Unsettled, we'll say, for the first 7, and then pretty quiet and pretty darn nice for the second 7 of that 14-day forecast.